snack machine problem.
No, it only takes 8 to change. That was bad, like so bad.
That's good. Mhm.
It will. Just press it on. Excuse me, you can't rock or tilt the machine because
Press one of his buttons.
I'm doing that. I don't think you must. Thank you for leaving this. This is not.
I want to hit the big press one of the buttons.
I do that. Gosh. Shut up. You trying to act like you did so smart? Yes. You really did. You got me. I'll hold myself on whatever you did. It's the freaking snicker. I already put my mouth in today. Don't put that on. I don't want that up. Alright, I need to change. Use the change and use it and get what you gotta get.
Whatever. Get the first Snickers. Buy the first Snickers and then wait for the second one to get out. And when you get the first Snickers, give it to me.
Huh? Yeah. You don't want to change?
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's not.
I'm mad we sitting here arguing about a vending machine. I'm mad I just looked at my phone because I had popcorn on it. Thank you.
I'm mad you really going to answer. Oh, you know penises are actually good.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
It's like a regular peanut juice.
I know. But I think you before, like, so that you did. How did you get that on you? What? What I did? Oh. Yeah. We're still here. You got no other color. I'm giving you a color. I'm giving you. Whatever. But then I don't get other flavors.
I told you.
What's that? I'm not even going to me. You can smash it on the popcorn.
Popcorn!
Why you do that?
No! My popcorn fell. Did you get anything? I've been recording for 2 minutes and 45 seconds and nobody has gotten anything.
Oh my God, that's 25 days.
You know that laundry mat on Front Street by a liquor store? I put $1 in that shit, gave me 6 quarters. I kept putting money in. I put all my money in these to get mad because I had like $6 in shit and I only put $4 in.
You get a freaking Pop-Tart for my dollar.
Because Pop-Tarts is $1.
That's what you're not understanding.
There's some fruit snacks or Pop-Tart. All that nasty shit in the bag.
But you be making love to them, though. Hey, get that breath.
You're making me grab my Pop-Tart!
Your Pop-Tart?
Again. You're looking?
How did you get the freaking soda if I ain't getting soda? You put $1 in, didn't you? They give me back.
So put your change in. How come every time you get here you gotta pee?
I feel everywhere that I have to pee. I ain't have to.
Put 50 cents in there.
And get water.
Soda.
I just did that. And then get my change back.
Did you press the button?
So why is that 50 cents? The money's so good here. He's like mine every day.
You need another quarter.
I don't got no more money. I don't got money, so I don't gotta worry about it. Got another 75 cents. My mouth dry now. Niggas better have a water fountain.
like me, did you? Do you stop the case?
Didn't she just buy them before you did?
I didn't get the pepper because I had extra quarter. No, the pepper was sold out.
Oh, but I'm like, you have an extra.
You could just drink.
No, I don't do that. No, people don't. You don't know.
I like being dirty like that.
I'm not there. I only drink up 10%. I know I think.
Alright. Alright. It's not the whole wall. Shut up. Let's turn it off. Ready?